These are 8-foot green giants that are being unloaded from a tractor-trailer truck. We unloaded 80 of them off this tractor-trailer truck in about an hour and a half. We used 2 bobcats to unload these trees, and each bobcat works from a separate side. And then we take them over to an area where we heel them into the ground and then put a water system on the trees so that they can stay irrigated easily. We have lots of green giants at Highland Hill Farm, so if you need a great privacy tree, call us at 215-651-8329 for green giants and other evergreens that we also offer. We're located in Fountainville, PA, and we do deliver and plant to many locations. So again, just call us at 215-651-8329. This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.